Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Farzana from Beauty Stubborn by Farzana. So I'm going to show you this look today. So if you wanna know how to create this look, keep on watching. After cleansing, I'm going to use a moisturizer, and this is a recent favorite moisturizer of mine. This is a Nivea aloe vera moisturizer, and then I'm using my primer. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is the freedom eyebrow pomade in the shade dark brown, and you need this kind of a angle brush and a spoolie. And I'm going to brush my eyebrows first, then I'm going to draw them. I keep all the clips here and you guys can see in details. It's a little bit hard to explain, and I have a tutorial on my channel about my eyebrows, so you can check that out too. I'm drawing the lines as per my natural eyebrow shape, so you guys can see I'm doing nothing fancy here. I'm just drawing as per my shape and filling the sparse areas, and I'm going to brush it through because I want a natural looking brows. Now I'm going to curve out my eyebrows with the Cosmic pen stick in the shade 21, and I'm going to blend this out with a concealer brush. For highlighting my brow bones, I am using my favorite Sleek Solstice palette. From there, I am using this pearly shade for my brow bone. Now I'm going to use Focally or Ever Changing palette, and from there I am using this kind of lavender shade with a very small brush, and I didn't set my eye base. For my eye base, I used Cosmic's 21 shade pen stick. Here I am packing and blending the colors light-handedly, and you have to do the same. And I'm taking the color little bit higher from my crease area, so it will look more visible. Now I'm cleaning the middle part because I'm going to do a halo look, and then I'm using another pen stick. That number is 26, and I'm cutting my middle crease to create a halo look. And next I'm going to use a orange eyeshadow from TZ35D palette, and again I'm going to pack and blend the colors. Blending the edges so there is no harsh lines, and then I'm again going to the lavender color and blending the orange and lavender together. With the blending brush, I am blending the edges for a more smoother look. I'm starting my face makeup with color correcting, and for that I am using Cosmic's 26 pan stick as a color corrector. I'm using my favorite foundation, Maybelline Superstay foundation, and in the shade golden, and I am taking a little amount in my brush and I am blending it section by section because this is a very matte foundation. It sets on the skin really quickly, so you need to apply this in sections and you have to blend it quickly. Now I'm taking the same foundation in a smaller brush and I'm going to apply the areas where I need little bit more coverage or little bit more sharpness. Now for the concealer, I am using Wet n Wild concealer, photo focus concealer in the shade medium tawny, and this is a perfect concealer for my kind of skin tone or my kind of skin undertone. This is something a great color for me, and I am using a brush. I like to use brushes on my face more than beauty blenders when I need full coverage thing, then I use brush. I am blending the concealer from the lower parts to upper parts, and this concealer is also very drying concealer, like it sets on the skin really quick. I am using this in sections also. To seal the deal, I am using LH Plus Mineral Foundation Powder and I am baking with it, and then I am going to use a brush to set the whole base. If you think my video will help you a little bit or my channel's video are helping you a little bit, then please subscribe to my channel right now and click the bell button so you will get all the notifications all the time. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now going back to my eye makeup, and for that I'm applying a kajal, and this is the Lakme kajal. It says it's a smudge proof, waterproof and all that, but I don't think so it does anything for smudge proof, waterproof or anything. Whatever, I'm going to do the same halo effect on my lower lash line too. I'm going to do a glitter liner today. For that I am lining a line like a eyeliner with my Cosmic Pen Stick in the shade 21, and then I'm going to use this golden shimmery kind of shade from the Focallure Ever Changing palette, and after that I'm going to blend them out so it will look more smoother. Now adding more glitter. This is a Hang Wang glitter liner and in the shade silver. Then I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is Flormar Triple Action Mascara and this is my favorite. Now wearing a pair of flash. If you guys are enjoying watching my video, then give this video a thumbs up. With that, our eye makeup is done. Now we're going to apply lipstick, and for lipstick I'm using Cherish liquid lipstick in the shade 12, I guess. And now I'm going to set my face with Revelations Aqua Priming Base, and I need a little bit orangish effect on my lips, so I'm using Orbo semi matte lipstick in the shade 09, and I'm just tapping top of my liquid lipstick because I just want a little tint of orange. If you think my video is going to help many of you, then please share with your friends and family to let them know they can also do this kind of look in home. And for today I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.